Hey guys, Mark Alloway here. So before we get started with this vlog, I know that there's a lot of you asking why the sudden re-upload. Now, I'm going to make this quick as possible, and also I want to let you know first that, like, if you want to skip ahead right to it, I will leave a timestamp down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to pin it. And I'm also going to be sure to relink all the shows from that specific weekend. So I uploaded the video of my trip to Saratoga, and that was, I think about 2 weeks ago and counting. I forgot the timestamp. I don't really recall. But I put the vlog up, and I thought in my eyes, well, editing the initial video, that I thought, as well. And, yeah, I didn't think anything was off. But I got a comment. I couldn't recall. Can I pull up? It doesn't really matter at this point. But someone left a comment on it saying, 18 minutes, I saw full moon. I take a look at it, and I'm embarrassed. Now, I'm not going to say who the guy's name was, because for one, I can't really remember who it was. I mean, I do know a few of the people around working with the league, but also for a second, I don't want to have him, suffer any heat because of this. But the thing is, it's still very embarrassing. That is one thing I messed up on, failing to double check and make sure nothing was off. And yeah, I'm disgusted. Like, I'm embarrassed, and from the bottom of my heart, I'm truly sorry. Versus Monster Truck said that, like, hey, if you're gonna do vlogs, that's all well and good, but just make sure you cut out anything that is said or anything when people are not there, and everything when we're talking about something private. And I respect that. And when I do, I make sure to put like music over to make sure nothing is heard saying. But yeah. And the guys apparently were, I don't know. I don't really want to say so much about it. I want to try not to dwell into it. But from the bottom of my heart, I'm truly sorry. I'm embarrassed that I didn't get to edit it out. So that's what I did with this vlog. I just made sure to cut it out and skip ahead right to where that part is shown. And so for those of you who are going to joke around and be part of the video, and even if you're doing a job, please do not do that. It's disgusting, and I'm videotaping myself. Now, if you're going to cut a promo on it, play with the camera a little bit, I can care less. Just be careful with it, and, be careful with what you say. But the other thing, But regardless, if you're going to do that, even just for a show, please don't. Because, like, I'm trying to help film myself, volunteer and work my way towards a common goal. And that is not the appropriate way. If you do want to joke about a cut of promo, I'm okay with that. But please don't do anything so disgusting or stupid. So for the bottom of my heart, I truly do apologize that you had to see that. If you did get a good laugh out of it, I'm glad. But at the same time, I'm embarrassed that you had to see that. So here it is. I edited it out, and it's still the same vlog, just with that segment edited out. So going forward, next time when I put a vlog together, I'm going to make sure that, like, if anyone plays with my camera, I'm going to make sure it's as fluent and appropriate as possible. And that's that. And luckily, though, the video didn't get reported, though chances are it wouldn't have been monetized. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope you understand, and I hope you accept my apology, and I hope going forward we can just, try to do better. It's a mistake it's a mistake on my part that I didn't get to edit that out in the first place when I uploaded, and I think that's actually why the video was getting a little bit of views, which for one I'm thankful for, and for one I think it's that part specifically. But anyways, I truly do apologize, and hopefully going forward I'll do a lot better. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and that's that. So yeah, enjoy the vlog.
That would help, huh? Yeah.
like, oh my god,
Zach.
this is a tripod. That's a tripod with an ass.
Try to take that tire out, Mark.
No, it's just Jeff Burson. And they'd open up my locker and find all kinds of girls' panties, and they're like, oh my god, this guy's sick. I was called the Oklahoma panty snatcher.
No, you fucking weren't.
Actually, I was one time with Rob French.
What? Wait, can't be. Probably should have left the tire on since it falls. Hang on real quick, stop. Stop.
What?
Help him with that, I'll see what he's gonna do.
It's gotta go up!
Hang on. I'm just checking my spindle there.
Go up!
You could have done it.
If you go to heavy equipment school, Zach,
Okay. Yeah.
say, well, you gotta have 3 points of contact.
You pay
getting on
attention,
and off
Dad?
the machine. I never had that problem.
Do I gotta spin planetary?
No, go up.
Relax. Relax.
Come over here, probably get nut on. Actually, hold the top and I'll kick it. Hold the top, Jake.
Hold the top there. It's a bitch. But they slide on so
Put that on
nicely.
the planetary now.
But they slide on so nicely.
Which direction?
I don't know yet.
He doesn't know.
Alright, oh, you gotta go up. Right there and go up.
Yeah, wouldn't he? Come on. Like
Okay.
the only team that doesn't have an electric jack.
We're old school. Keeps us grounded. Keeps us humble.
Make sure that the beveled side is on. So like, don't put the flat ball side. Like this. Yeah, it's all good. Oh, what, that one? Oh yeah, it'll tighten up once it starts spinning.
Beep, 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 beep. Try to put more fuel in the truck. You should let it idle longer so more of it goes in the oil.
Just need two for this one because one of them is stripped at the top. You'll figure out what that is.
That's a bad habit. You let it idle too long. Don't do that. Bad habit doing that.
Well, have to let motor fill up idle to fill the training.
Keep it there very long.
I know that. But there's no other way I can do it. You can't fill the training. No, because he said you can't let it idle for Put that on.
Solid. Get rid of it.
Shut up. No, I got leaks in the rims.
The whole rim's leaking. Is that what it is?
Yeah, they got pinholes. I welded them together. There's a few spots I gotta fix on them. I just
Me going back to some type of Jewish heritage I must have had, and I didn't want to pay the rims to be built, so I had the pieces and then welded them together, not knowing that they're the hottest friggin' things in the world.
how'd you hold tension on?
The barrel, the beads are off the forklift. Fits inside. But it's not cut perfectly. They're not, so there's a little overlap in them, you know, like 30 million millimeters. Pretty much broken. Better mileage with these tires with the radials. We don't need to see this.
that's the one that. That's the one that it actually doesn't tighten on the stud. It actually takes the stud out with it on it. Oh. Nah, some of them are not like that. Sometimes the studs just like to break free. It's been sitting in our shop on top of the sandblaster forever. Nah. Can you pull that plate over? Yeah. Sure. The Michelin's are sexy. Yeah, I know, right? They're expensive. No, I paid $1,250 for mine. So I have a spare at the house.
That's as good a deal, bud.
We're not one pin to racing, so I don't care.
Yeah.
As heavy as he started running. Put oil in that back hub?
Have to, yes.
Push the top in. Watch out, Mark, I'm giving it a big savat back.
Let it down.
Not yet.
Huh?
Down a little bit.
Okay, now up.
We get a roll rotated. Go ahead up though. Zach, you want to try to put it like that? Go ahead. Alright, good gauge. Go ahead there. Alright, good, right
Alright.
there.
Right there, I want the money.
Not really. That's way too far. Oh. Go up, gauge.
Come on.
Come on, Mark. There you go. Move it forward, Zach. Give it a good swift kick in the ass. Okay, go back. Hang on, Zach. Alright, Millard, put them on. That's good. Put them on.
Shut him off!
Hi all my friends around the world. I love my quest, my world stuff.
Hey,
Yeah. Yeah.
How do I do a promo? Who do I promo versus Monster Truck Store or Mark Crush? Oh, so we have Mark Crush wrapping tape around trucks. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. I think it's Mark Crush 55, something like that. Hey, Mark. Hey. Hey.
Try to rotate that camera while I'm moving my work.
I'm getting some good cinematic shots for you, Mark.
Yeah. No, I'm not winning yet. I want to just do a promo. Hey, can we put this in front of Excavator?
Here, it's recording, go.
Can we put this on Excavator?
Come here, right here.
Wait, Zach, go in front of my truck, right? Just go with what I do.
I got you, Mark.
You know what? I'll just do it on my own. Watch this. Good job, Mark.
Professional stuntman. He's the real
Okay, so here we are. Zach's over there. He's not paying attention. He didn't want to come do this because he's too scared, so he wanted me to speak for him. I just wanted everybody to know that I'm going to be the new champ. And I'm going to take down Mark Crush, Caden Vile, Zach LeBlanc, Riley Barnes, Brady Barnes, actually. I'm going to take them all down. I'm coming, and I'm coming hard. You ever see the Brock Lesnar video of him doing that? Yes. Yeah, that's why I did that. Is it rolling again? Mark, I just want you to know, I'm gonna get you back. After that whole little deal with the pie earlier in my face, oh, you just wait. Just wait to the next one, trust me. P.S. I think Zach LeBlanc will be the new driver of Excavator.
We'll see about that. Hey guys, we're here in Frankfort for the weekend. So Gage's birthday, who just turned 19, was a few days ago, and I have a little surprise for him. Let's do it. Gage, I'm sorry, bro. Oh! Everyone wants to fool with the camera. There's about 2 trucks left that Down Dirty is still like being worked on.
Champ's here, baby.
crushing it, Mark.
Now we just gotta wait for one more.
So I got the 2 barrels. In case when Mark comes, grab that stuff for that. The water
Hey, you guys have a knife or anything?
I got a knife.
Oh, with the drivers?
Like the drivers they can go like if they want to do a maintenance check or something like that, they can't go through the tape. Just spectators, they're not allowed to go beyond where the tape is wrapping around.
Stop yelling at me.
Yell at me. Wow. It's even flowing across the battery. So I don't know if you can see it, but we have Loud and Dirty wrapped in like some kind of way, not the typical way like Killer Beat, like these trucks over here, but we have it like wrapped around just enough just to give the people some space for them to try to work on Loud and Dirty. So that's what they're doing. They have like a hole in like the oil filter or something or the oil tank. So they're gonna try everything they can to get it fixed and running.
Sparkle shop, so I left it in there and then they buried it.
That's how it goes.
I'm throwing everything out that's here.
The kettle was sharing the stove. Yeah, throw it up. So the dough is.
That's not your cooking show.
Yeah.
That's not your show. I'm gonna wait for them to clear out before we put the rest away.
far left cardboard box. Like this. Yeah, perfect. Two more big ones and a little one.
He's like, well, I didn't want to see it. I wanted to hear you say it.
Ooh, I'm gonna sell her. $6.50. I'm coming after you, Sammy.
We'll give it a minute, yeah. Sparkle,
Yes, ma'am.
do these waters belong to you?
Probably. Oh, no. Probably no. No. It's not. Is it cross? Oh.
Get Cliff's stuff off.
You gotta take the vaccine?
Danny, did you get your speaker?
Or do we have to do something in the middle, Steve?
We just gotta go low. You gotta bring down the top too.
Oh, right.
These things spin and they come down.
No, he keeps talking. Do you want the top left on it, or are we?
No, the top comes off, and then it pulls up and it fits in this pocket here.
Yeah. That, well, we haven't had a show where it's been dry. So I wasn't sure.
I'll get it in a second. All right.
I got it.